latest trial to get rid of the rats in the chicken coop. It's chili. I'm having chili flakes here. You can also use chili powder or cayenne pepper, whatever is as hot as possible. And what I'm doing now, I'm bringing that to a boil. Simply water. I'm using 1 liter per 50 grams. I bring that to a boil and let it boiling on a low flame for about 20 minutes. After that, I just leave the pot, use a lid because of all the spicy fumes that will fill up your kitchen. After it boiled, I'll leave the lid on and I'll just let it rest for another, if possible, 24 hours. Then getting all the flakes out. You only want to have pure water, so use a coffee filter or something. Then I'll spray all the beams and paths that I know of that the rats are using. It won't take effect immediately. What will happen is the rats will walk over it. All the spicy stuff is sticking on their feet, on their fur. When they return to their nest, they start cleaning themselves. Then it takes effect. Since rats are so clever, if you would put the chili simply on your chicken feed, I read that you can do that. Chickens don't have the receptors to feel spicy hot food, so they would probably just eat the chili flakes. I'm not putting that to a test, so when these are cooked out, they'll go to the compost pile. So if you put them right on the chicken feed, rats will go there, eat the chicken food, and they will know immediately, oops, there's something not alright with that chicken food. They will just not touch it anymore, which is desirable, but with my method, that's the whole point. They are in their nest where they are usually very safe. And suddenly in there they start feeling uncomfortable. They can't figure out where is it coming from. The best case scenario will be that they think something's completely wrong with that place. And they will move out for good. So, let's see how that turns out. 1 day later, strain it. Since I use chili flakes, they need to be pressed out because all the water and the spiciness is in there. Not all of it, but a lot. And if you touch it, use gloves. You don't want that stuff on your fingers and accidentally touching your eye or something. Looks nasty. There are 2 more things. One is to break the surface of the water. You want to add some dish soap. Like that, when you spray it in your coop, it will stick better to all the surfaces instead of just dropping off. And since I made that much, I might want to store it. There's also an easy solution for that. To make it last longer and not getting bad, because I'm in Bulgaria, I'll just add a bit of rakia That should preserve it. And finally, spray it wherever you've seen rats walking. Don't spray it in a way that the eyes or the lungs of the chickens might be affected. Let's see if it's advised as well to wear gloves, mask, safety glasses for myself. I'll try it without first and I'll see. It's definitely red and spicy. Definite signs of where they are working. And did it work out? I'm having a camera in the coop and I'm checking every night. The same night after spraying, I saw this one rat walking exactly on that beam that I sprayed. Of course, I sprayed way more. 2 days later, the rats still went to their place where they found a bit of food. So I kept on spraying. I actually sprayed the whole pot of chili sauce that I made. But for the last 2 nights, I checked the camera and I couldn't see one rat. Do I trust it? Not yet, because I'm fighting rats for years now. The other thing is, when you're making an experiment, there's one scientific rule. Only change one aspect at a time, so you know if it's working or not. If it's not working, then you can change another point. During the same days, I changed 2 other aspects that I'll show you in another short video soon. But for now, it's looking promising. So try it out by yourself, and for more hacks, subscribe and leave a like, and see you in the next one.